Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we'll be going over templates. We just added them. It's definitely something that you guys wanted, so look out for it in version 2.1. It should be out by May 8th, so in like one day. But here I have a few items here. Here is the Walmart item. So if I want to add a template, all I have to do is go into marketplaces and then add a template, and let's call it Walmart listings, and let's make the marketplace US. You know, this doesn't really matter at the moment. All of these things are going to sort of grow in to the settings, but you know, you could set a default quantity to whatever you'd like, and then a markup. So 1.5, yeah. And again, the shipping method, delivery method, at the moment, it's not going to be applied. And then you have a header, so you could say welcome to my store, and then you could say thank you so much for your time. Sorry if my keyboard is loud. And allow offers. Again, this won't make a difference, but hide from friends will make a difference. So let's click on hide from friends, and for now, you know, allow offers doesn't really matter. It won't change it whether you have it clicked or not. It won't change it. Same thing with the delivery methods, whether you have them clicked or not. At the moment, it won't change it. The only thing that it changes is the header, footer, quantity, and the markup. It multiplies Walmart's price by 1.5. So let's go ahead and save this. And let's say I want to make another marketplace template with Lowe's.com. So we'll do Lowe's listings, and let's do Facebook US quantity. Let's do 10 for now. Let's see what happens, and let's make the markup something like 2.5. And again, this doesn't really matter at the moment. Shipping method, use your own prepaid shipping label. This is a Lowe's item, and we'll just do that. And in this case, we won't hide it from our friends, and let's see what happens. So we save these two things, save these two, and here's an item from Lowe's, and here's an item from Walmart. So you want to make sure that you're logged into the extension. So I'm logged into the extension, but I was logged into another account, so I just signed out of it, and I'm going to log in to the account that I want to. But just make sure you're logged in, and once you're logged in, I'm just going to refresh, and it'll show me that I have these listings because I saved them. So here it should say delete from Fbmfox, and here it says delete from Fbmfox. So now let's say I want to list this item with the Walmart template. So the way I would do that, and you know, it doesn't really matter, like the URL link does not matter, right? Based on the template. So I can apply the Lowe's template to the Walmart template. There's not a big deal. It's just a naming convention, right? So let me list the Lowe's item, and let me list it with the Walmart listing template, and let's go list selected. And you can see that it says welcome to my store, right? And it says thank you so much for your time. And that is the same as our marketplace templates. So I believe it was this one, the Walmart template. We applied it to the Lowe's item. And one thing you want to consider is that, so everything that happens here on this listing page has last say, right? So if I change the price here to $49, and I change this to spoon fork, and you know, I change this right here, you can see that it says welcome to my store, right? So check this out. If you go back to your products and just copy this title, you'll see that you know, it's $38, right? It says spoon fork, and it also says welcome to my store. So let's say for some reason you say, hey, I don't want to list this right now, I'm gonna come back another day, right? And let's say you close the tab, but let's say you come back another day and you want to list it again. But what's going to happen is that the template is already applied here. So the price was already updated. The description was already updated. So this time around, you know, you need to do it without a template. So let's just see what happens if you apply the same template, right? So let's say I apply the same template. What it does is it says, welcome to my store twice. And what it did is it multiplied the $38 that was right here, $38, and multiplied it by 1.5, right? So if you just do a quick search again, it'll change to $57. So you want to be careful with this because you can have your messages show up like 3-4 times, right? If you're not considerate. So it's always a safe idea. If you have a VA or something, you know, make sure you are cautious about this. And here's the other thing. Let's say I wanted to relist this item and all of a sudden I want to change the template to Lowe's listings. And let's go to the right item and I click on list selected. Right, so now it says this is a Lowe's item. And now it says welcome to my store twice. And then it says all this stuff. So, you know, as I was programming this, I tested it and I thought this was a coding bug and I sort of like went crazy. But I realized what it's doing is it's syncing this current description with the backend, and then every time you pull the item again, it'll apply the template again. So you want to be careful and you want to only apply the template if the description doesn't already have these things in it. So I hope that kind of makes sense. And let's say you want to get rid of these things. You would just go into your products, search for it, click on it, you know, delete that, and just save. And now you could refresh and go back to the listing. So there's a Lowe's listing. I'm just gonna paste it without any templates, right? So right now it has no templates. This is how it is, right? Right, it's 143 bucks. Not sure why it's so high, but I guess I didn't change the price from here. But anyways, if I change the price to $39 and I search this item in my listings, sure enough, it's here for $39. So keep a lookout for this update. It is in version 2.1, which will be coming out most likely tomorrow on May 8th. So we're just waiting on Chrome to do the updates. Here's another thing for you guys testing out auto syncing. We're still working on it, but you know, you could put your frequency of hours in and your automatic price and stock updates check. And before you had to log in and log out, but now you just click on update settings. So that makes it a little more convenient. And now, you know, it'll count down 3 hours and then it'll sync my items. But right now that is still under maintenance. We're gonna make another video about that once it's done. But for now, let me turn that off and you know, I'm good to go. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys liked the templates and the possible errors that could happen. See you guys next time.